What you get. This is the Napoleon Rogue 525 barbecue in propane, and it has a retail price of $899 for this propane model. The natural gas model is $50 more Canadian, so at $949. It has a 15-year limited warranty. It has 48,000 BTUs and a cooking area of 18 by 28 and 3/4 inches. So you got your cast iron grills, which is got this really cool design on it. It's gonna leave some nice marks on your steaks. Also up here you do have a plated warming rack. It's pretty big as well. Underneath, these are all your plates. What these do is they even out the temperature all the way across the barbecue, because underneath these are your burners. All right, so there's your burners, and what's really cool about this is each one of these has its own electronic ignition, which is right here. No batteries are required. Just what? Hopefully this shows up. Just push and hold and turn, and you'll see a big flame shoot out. Well, that ignites that whole burner up, and every one of them does it. Here's the middle one. That's really cool, really fast. The other thing I really love, so the 15-year warranty is gonna cover this, and what this is forged aluminum. It's none of that pressed tin stuff. The only pressed tin you have is formed steel. Sorry, is up here on the top, but that's no big deal. I think you know the hardest part of any barbecue is the bottom. A really cool thing that I absolutely love about this is there is no bottom. The bottom is this stainless drip pan, which in our storage area underneath you can remove easily. And how easy is that going to be to clean? As you see too, there's a hole in the back for all your drippings to go into that little tin there, with an aluminum foil liner, so you can just pull that out and throw it in the garbage and carry on. On each side, now this is your base model. There are some that have a side burner. This one does not, but both the sides on this model just lift up and fold down for easy storage. That's both sides, and it's just an easy action. Just lift up, pop right into place. I do like the storage down below, how it's a cabinet. I don't know why there couldn't be one more panel in the back just to fill that gap in, and it would totally seal this off. But regardless, while we're in here, your propane tank sits firmly in this indent down here, and then it even has this holder on the top. This sucker is now part of your barbecue. It is like, it's not going anywhere. That is solid. Next, we're gonna go over the lid here. This lid, really smooth opening. It's balanced quite well. And on this lid we have their thermometer. Hi, you can see me there. Anyways, probably I haven't tried this yet to see how accurate it is, but regardless, I use the Thermal Pro thermometer anyway. But I mean, just, you know, the weekend griller doesn't really care too much. It does indicate your smoking ranges and your searing ranges, so that's going to help you out. Okay, if it matters to you, the dimensions of this thing is, with the lid open, 63 inches top to bottom. So if you're worried about clearance for some shelves, with the lid closed, it's 47.5 inches. Total width with the shelves out is 56.5 inches. Its depth, so from front to back, 25 inches. So if you have like a barbecue shack that has a limited space for a barbecue, there you go. You'll be able to know if you can fit that in or not.